teaching you how to wrap a bouquet of flowers and to create a floral bow, which is great for any craft project, present, or bouquet. So you're going to start by choosing your bolt of ribbon and holding it between both hands. You're going to create one loop and secure tightly with your thumb, and you're going to twist the ribbon 180 degrees. You're going to continue by creating another loop, pinching and twisting 180 degrees. You're going to continue this for 6 to 10 loops to make the bow as full as you can. Now, once you've finished your bow, you're going to pick up a second piece of wire or ribbon to secure your bow tightly. So you're going to wrap it around the center and tighten so that you have your bow ready to go. Next, we're going to prepare our cellophane and wrapping. So you're going to take your piece of cellophane, fold it in half so you have 2 triangles in front of you, and place your 2 colors of tissue paper on top. Next, I've got my fresh chrysanthemums that I'm going to place simply right in the middle and fold up the cellophane around. Tighten securely around the middle and tie your bow around the middle. And that's how you wrap a bouquet of flowers.